Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a review for this SriHome 1080p Full HD camera. So it's kind of like a medium-sized camera. You can do 360s with this. So you can also open this. A lot of adjustments, as you can see. You can close and open it fully. It actually comes with this package. In this box. Here it says 1080p Full HD webcam, perfect for live streaming, video chatting, gaming, and conference. The only thing that this camera is perfect for is for throwing it out in the fucking trash, because this camera is garbage. And you might be thinking, well, what the hell do I want for 20 bucks? 4K? Well, no, it's not about the quality, it's about the compatibility. Well, see, the thing is, when I open OBS, the camera isn't actually gonna work. What you have to do is you have to plug it in, plug it out, and then plug it in again, right? However, it doesn't stop there. You have to do that every single time you close and open OBS. You have to do that again, right? However, it's still not gonna work. What you have to do is you need to add another video capture device, and then it might work. There's a chance it's still not gonna work, and you're gonna have to do all of that again, right? However, it doesn't stop there. What you have to do is that if you open a Discord or a different application where you want to use your camera on, you have to do that for it again. So and I mean, wow, really? Like, that's pretty wild. I mean, would you want to do that or not? I'd rather not. I don't really enjoy doing that every single time, so I don't know. I suggest just buy a different camera.